morning, everybody. We are going to make my white bread recipe. I've never made it in my Sunbeam 2-pound bread maker. So this is going to be interesting for me. And also I'm going to do it with a twist today. I'm going to be using some fruit and nut blend in it. So come along. I'm going to mix it up. I'm not baking it in the bread machine. It'll be baked in the oven, so I'll be doing a few steps. And let me get you situated. Come along. Okay, let's get started. Here's my bread pan here. I sprayed the inside of it just a little bit because where the paddle is, sometimes it sticks in the bread. So we're going to start out. This makes 2 loaves of bread, or 1 honk and big loaf. We need 5 1/4 cups of flour. And again, I've never made this in my machine. So here we go. There's 2, 3, 4, 5 1/4, just like that. Then you want 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. I did half and half. I've never done this before. Half sugar, half stevia. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Oh, I just like experimenting to see if it works or not. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. So I'm gonna say it's 1.5 right there of salt, and we want yeast, 2 tablespoons right here. I have rapid rise, that's my choice that I like. And we have 1.5 tablespoons of oil right here, going right in, just like that. And 2 cups of very hot water. Wow, I can barely touch this. We're just going to dump it right in. Now we're going to close the lid. I'm going to hit menu on my machine till it says dough. That's a number 8 for me. And then I'm going to hit the start button. Whoops. Whoops, we're going to stop it. Whoop, we're going to stop it. Because you know what? I forgot one thing. I don't normally put this in, but we need to put this in. I'm gonna put the whole thing. What the heck? We're just winging it. Okay, we're gonna start it again. Now we're gonna hit the menu. Make sure everything's plugged in. There, it's taken off. So once it gets all done, I will also show you my bread machine. So don't go far. Get a cup of tea, coffee, your favorite beverage. Hi, here I am again. And the bread machine just beeped, so I'm going to hand you down, and we're going to take the bread out, and we're going to roll it, and let's see what happens. Okay, I got the dough out. It looks absolutely beautiful. I have this pan here that I bought at IKEA, and I have this one in case I don't have enough room. Because I haven't made this for so long, I forgot. And this here is it's a scraper. I use it for bread. So let's spray this pan. Give it a good spray. And we'll hold out on the other pan for now. Got some flour here. Some flour on my hands, don't want a whole lot of it. I'm gonna take the dough. Doesn't this look wonderful? Where's my scraper here? Works a lot better if you use a dough scraper. Start it. Oh wow, looks great. Oh, wonderful. looks so wonderful. Wow, this is really nice dough. It's got big chunks of nuts and stuff in it. I'm not gonna over knead this. I just gotta look at my directions, my recipe book, because I haven't done it for so long. Okay, kneading surface, dough out. Don't do a lot of kneading with it, and turn the dough into whatever you want. You can make rolls if you want with this. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna stretch it with my hands. I'm not gonna use a roller. I almost think I'd like to make breakfast rolls out of this. What do I want? Do I want rolls or do I want bread? Oh, this will taste good in the morning, wouldn't it? Wouldn't this taste yummy? What do you think? Yeah, no. I think it's good. Oh, plop it right in the pan. I guess I'll just use this one. Look how good that looks. Doesn't that look yummy? You get this out of the way. I was gonna put something on top. Let me go see what I can find. Like I always say in my videos, you never know what I'm gonna be doing. I always change my mind. I have some quick oats here. So I am going to put a little bit of quick oats on here. And this is my recipe with my twist. I'm gonna put just a itty bitty bit of spray. Then I'm gonna take some of this, just like that. Oh, this is gonna be yummy. I got the oven on right now at 350. And it will go about 40 minutes. Each oven's different, so you wanna just kind of watch. But right now, I'm gonna let it rise a little, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna put plastic, spray plastic, and put it in the oven. I thought you might like to see this step. What I'm gonna do, just spray a little bit. Just like that. And I'm gonna put it over the bread that I'm making, just like this. Hopefully not too many oats come off, but if they do, I'll come up with something. We'll see you in 30 minutes. Okay, folks, here it is. Out of the oven. It's still a little warm. As Ray's grandmother would always say, never cut warm bread. She used to have a special string that she cut her bread with, and we tried finding it, but we have not ever been able to locate it. But I want to give you a close-up picture. Look at that. Didn't it come out really good? This is Grammie's recipe with a twist. I like the end pieces. I'm just going to cut a very small piece, and I'm going to cut it from this end because I don't want to have a whole lot right now. Oh, it's cutting great. Look at that. Fruit nut bread with a Grammie's twist. Here it is here. Let me pick it up. Here it is here. And look at that. And the oatmeal stayed on. Look at that. Can you smell it? Look. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to bring you up so we can have a taste test. Here we go. Okay, folks, here we are, what y'all been looking for. I gotta have butter. I mean, it always tastes good with butter, right? Oh, the house smells really good. Here we go. So good. I'm sharing a bite with you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button, because I've had people say, hey, you're not putting out videos, but I am. That notification sometimes gets shut off and you don't realize it. It's happened to me before. So please like, share my videos, and you never know what's going to be on my videos. Be patient, be kind, and be peaceful. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.